Hello everyone, and we are group 4 of class 63A, and today we are going to discuss unit 9. The topic is sound. The first question is we are going to plan a park where people can relax and enjoy pleasant sounds. And first, let's figure out what the noise pollution in the city is first. So in city, we can face traffic noise in the highways or in the busy roads with the noise from the vehicles. And another sources of noise is from recreational activities in stadiums or in the park can make us very annoyed. The others phenomenon that can make us irritated is that the events, entertainment, and maybe some very loud noise from the speakers, from some singers or karaoke neighbors. And the solution for this is we could create 3 barriers. We can call it buffers to reduce the outside noise for our park. And with the trees, with the height from 4 feet, it can reduce the noise from the truck from 90 decibel to about 60 decibel, and from 12 height trees, it can reduce to 50 decibel, and it's acceptable for people to hear and make an outdoor conversation. The other solution is to create some sound sources that please people ears, like the stream sounds, or the sound from the bird chirping, or the sound from music from artists, or the talks, the easy and pleasant talk between friends. Okay.
Hello everybody, I'm Brunel. I will show you another solution to create a pleasant sound in the park. That's this water feature. The first one is fountains. Fountains are classic choice for water features in the park. They come in various sizes, styles, and designs, ranging from simple to elaborate. Fountains can have a single jetted water and visually appealing local point. The sound of water splashing and the sight of it gracefully flowing can create a soothing atmosphere. The next one is ponds. Ponds are larger bodies of water that can be incorporated into park landscapes. They can be designed to accommodate aquatic plants, fish, and other wildlife. Ponds often can have kind surfaces, reflecting the surrounding scenery and creating a scener environment. You can consider adding water lilies or other floating plants to enhance the aesthetics. And that's all about the solution of water feature.
Okay, hi, please.
You can create dedicated sound meditation spaces within the park, carefully designed to provide visitors with a unique experience of sound therapy and meditation. These spaces will be meticulously constructed with acoustic consideration in mind. incorporating elements such as resonating chamber, wide term, and specialized sound installations by emitting soothing sound and melodic tones. These spaces will create an environment conducive to relaxation, promoting mindfulness and offering a serene and sacred space within the park is all.
Okay, thank you. And the second question is that what steps can be taken to reduce noise pollution in cities? And look at some, we are going to take a look at some solutions. My first.
My solutions to reduce noise pollution is if the noise pollution come from public transportation, the city can invest in quieter transportation technology, improve infrastructure to minimize noise transmissions, and implement noise barriers around transportation hubs. If the noise pollution come from event and entertainment, solution is minimize noise level, such as using sound barrier, limiting the volume and duration of loud music, and scheduling events during more appropriate hours. Additionally, local authorities can implement noise ordinance and enforce them to ensure that events do not cause excessive disturbance to nearby residents.
Okay. Thank you. And plus we can, the authorities could introduce some rules to ban loud noise in some public location. And the other solution is in the residential areas, there should be some regulations to reduce the noise pollution from the speakers from the households and from the singing activities in the very late at night. And also the cities should locate factories away from the residential or schools or hospital to make these places be more quieter for students also, as well as for the patients to recover themselves. And that's all. The next is from Phương.
Now I want to suggest two solutions for the problems. First one is urban planning and design. We can implement zoning regulations that separate noisy areas such as industrial zones or transportation corridors from residential and recreation areas. We can also design buildings and infrastructure with noise reducing features such as soundproof windows, insulation, and green spaces that act as buffers. Plan for wider side-by-side green belts between roads and residential areas to minimize direct exposure to traffic noise. And we can encourage the development of quiet zones or pedestrian-only areas where noise is limited. And the next solution is green spaces and soundscaping. We should increase the number and quality of green spaces in cities, as vegetation can help absorb and mitigate noise. We can also use urban planning techniques such as soundscaping to incorporate natural sounds, for example, water features or bird habitats that can mask or reduce unwanted noise. That's all about two of my suggestions.
Thank you. And the next idea is from Hạnh.
Technological innovation holds great potential in combating noise pollution in environment, the development and the technology such as electric vehicles, quieter machinery, and low noise conduction techniques can significantly minimize noise emissions. Additionally, exploring innovative solutions like noise cancellation systems enable active reduction of noise pollution. This system utilize advanced technology to calculate and cancel out unwanted noise by emitting sound waves that are phased with the incoming noise, effectively reducing its impact. Such system can be employed in public spaces, transportation hubs, or even integrated into noise barriers. It's all.
Okay, thank you, Hạnh. And at the end of this lesson, these units, we draw out some lessons and messages. The first lesson is irritating sounds can lead to stress and tiredness, and having a quiet and pleasant space with non-noise pollution could better your health and living standard. And lesson number 2 is not only humans have ears and other creatures have they hear too. And let's not create devices or the noise pollution that damage other species' sound environment. And thank you for listening to our discussion, and goodbye.